Hello everyone, today we will learn how to easily change the color of a dress using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, select the pen tool. Carefully draw a path around the dress to ensure it is fully selected. To make the video more comprehensible, we are speeding up the process. To change the original color of the dress, go to the image menu and click on adjustments and click desaturate. This remove the existing color from the dress. Now click adjustment layer and select the hue saturation option. Here you will see a color palette. Then check the colorage option. Next, set the hue, saturation and lightness. You can adjust it as per your preference. Setting saturation to 98, hue to 360, lightness -4. Adjust according to the environment. Once everything is set, close the color palette and see how your dress color has changed. Now your dress has a brand new color. For more amazing tutorials, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.